Hello, and welcome to Edible Canvas, where today we are going to be making a very special recipe from my husband's grandma, which has actually become a little bit more popular, so I was able to find it on the internet. So let's get baking and make some orange biscuits. First thing we're going to need for our orange biscuits is a whole lot of orange zest. It said 2 tablespoons to use, but I didn't realize how much it was going to need, so I just did 1 orange's worth. In a saucepan, we're going to combine 1 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of butter that has been cubed, as well as a 1/4 cup of orange juice, and our 2 tablespoons of orange zest, or just as much as you were able to get. And then we're just gonna mix this until everything is combined and lovely and bubbly. Now that our sauce is delicious looking, we're gonna pour that straight into our bundt pan that has been greased. Next, we're gonna need about 3 tubes or 30 ounces of biscuits.
Oh, I didn't even touch it. I was getting ready. I was prepping myself.
You say it prematurely exploded?
Yeah. I think it got too hot.
Did we get that on recording? Please tell me that was recording. You want me to come hug you?
Yes.
After you're done having a mental breakdown because biscuit counts are literally the worst, mental note, don't leave them out to warm up because that's a bad idea. We're gonna add those biscuits into our bundt pan and try to get them so that they can stand on end so all of the ruffly layers are touching. Now that everybody's kind of nestled in there, I just like to take my spoon and really wedge it in so some of the syrup comes up. Then we're just gonna stick it in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the biscuits are completely cooked and it has a beautiful golden brown top, just like that. Now we're just gonna do our very best to try and flip this without hurting people. Ready? And ta-da! It worked! Oh my gosh. Alright, now we gotta give it a taste. Make sure it tastes as good as it looks. Oh, guys, this is so good. I know I say that a lot, but seriously, the orange is kind of like caramelized and it's sticky and gooey, and it's just like melted into the bundt pan, and it's just, well, not the bundt pan, but the biscuits, and it's so good and so chewy and crunchy on the other side that was facing up and golden brown, and oh man, this is such a wonderful Christmas tradition. Thank you all so much for watching. It has been such a wonderful year that I've been able to record and do all of this stuff and all of the traditions that I get to share with you guys. And if there's anything you guys would love to see, hit me up in the comments below. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to get more treats in your pocket and make the world a yummier place. See you next year, guys. Merry Christmas.